Have you ever asked the question, can I write letters for money? Well, probably not. I know I never did. Well, let me explain why that question can make a huge difference in your life. Now, money's tight. We all know money's tight, and it's getting tighter every day. And this is especially a problem for folks like retirees on fixed income, stay-at-home parents who can't do the jobs they used to do, students who always need money, and folks who are out there looking for a decent-paying job, or maybe looking for a job at all. So I'm Dr. Hale Pringle, and I've got something I'm really excited to share with you. It can make a big difference in your life. Now, why am I excited? There's several reasons. One, everybody makes significant money if they do the work. Two, anybody can do it. Three, there's no sales, no recruiting, no hassles, no tech skills required, and no boss. So I'm not going to go through all the things that you've probably tried to make ends meet, things to get more money, things to spend less money. We could talk all night about that. What I am going to do is go back to that original question of, can I write letters for money? And I'm going to still say, most of us have never thought of that, had any clue about it that existed. So what if I told you you could make $50 to $75 an hour writing these letters? Would that be interesting? What if I told you they were 2 sentences long and fit on a postcard? That get interesting? Oh, if you want to play hardball, you do remember that tight money was why we're here. But I can throw in a whole bunch more stuff. You work from home, you work any hours you want, you work as much or as little as you want. There's no quotas, there's no minimum. You can quit for months if you want to and come back. You don't have to ask anybody's permission. It's totally legal. It's been around for decades. It's government regulated. It's one heck of a program. So let me tell you about the company. Just 4 or 5 words. The name of it's SendIt Academy. They have got a very simple step-by-step training that will show you exactly what you need to do to make this money. So obviously we cannot guarantee any kind of income claims, and there's a full disclaimer in the description below. The next step, watch a 4-minute video, get some more details, and then some more if you want to get more in detail, because it is a heck of a program. You ought to be taking a look at it. Click on the link in the description below, or you can copy and paste halepringle.com/sendit. So we'll see you on the inside, and here's to your success. Oh, Hale, yes.